Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with your Apple ID so iCloud can show synced videos. Once signed in, open Photos or iCloud. Calm and make sure iCloud Photos is enabled. This is how videos upload and appear. If you're on a new device, give sync time. Large videos take longer. Make sure you have adequate storage, otherwise uploads pause and videos won't show. Now that prerequisites are set, proceed to locate the video library and search for the clip you need. Next, navigate directly to the videos album because iCloud groups motion files there. This saves time compared to scrolling your whole library. You can also use the search box with dates, locations, or people to narrow results. This matters when you have thousands of items. On iCloud, calm the filter and sort options work similarly, and imported clips may be in different albums. If a clip is missing, check Recently Deleted and Imported, since transfers or deletes can move items unexpectedly. Finally, when you find the video, download it or use the Share button to export on iCloud. Click the download icon. On iPhone, use Save to Files or Share. Make sure the file finishes downloading before closing apps. If you can't find the video, confirm iCloud status, check internet on every device, and verify you're signed into the same Apple ID. One quick troubleshooting tip. If syncing stalls, toggle iCloud Photos off and back on after you back up. This often forces a resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.